like I'm in paradise. Watch that purple waterfall, got me feeling rich, so rich, never go and pour it all. Come see the cloud that I live in, I mean the couch that I sit in. I said I stopped but I didn't, it's another world that I've been in. Listen, when I'm on it I think I'm a king, top of the world but ain't doing a thing. When it's gone I'm literally sick and I'm trying to look for a lizard with wings. Let me get some sleep and some rest in peace. Got me scratching a lot and my head is nodding without hip-hop beats. Eyes closed, where's sight go? I think time's going to waste. We're mind blown, I think mine's going to space. Time wasted, so wasted, run away from me. But I'm jaded, no escaping, the escape I need. Time wasted, so wasted, run away from me. But I'm jaded, no escaping, the escape I need.
My purple waterfall, slow drip, I've said enough. We see double now, ungrip, I've had enough.
Leaning, can't stay up on one, that main buzz. Purple all on my paintbrush, found a way to make pain stop. Made up a nocturnal breed, stay stuck in this perfect dream. I'm faded, but I wake up the second that the curtains bleed. And I'm slurring speech, oh I think I need to learn to speak. Been a while, you ain't heard from me, but I stay drowned in that purple stream. Eyes looking like it hurts to read, and it burns to see. But if I lose spit, then just let me know. If my eyes close, I deserve a sleep.
My purple waterfall, slow drip, I've said enough. And we see double now, ungrip, I've had enough. My purple waterfall, slow drip, I've said enough. And we see double now, ungrip, I've had enough.
Feeling wide awake, wide awake. I'm chasing and dragging, I hide the paint, hide the paint. Come see the cloud that I live in. I said to stop but I didn't.
Knock, knock, who's there? Oh shit, you know who it is. It's been a while, yes it has. Now it's time for the solar eclipse. They watched us grow.
They know we're the rose that broke through the bricks.
Yeah, we rolled over trolls, got over that bridge.
Yeah, it's 3 goats in this bitch.
So what you know about being out here reppin' peace?
Fuck beef, we going ham on this. So come and see what it is off the grid.
Let me show you where the kids of the Vanguard live.
We say raise your fist,
take no shit.
Yeah, like our grandmas did.
And these haters might be in the house,
but who you think the motherfucking landlord is?
I'm off the grid.